and thank you for watching. So for today's video, we are doing an unboxing on my first off-white purchase. Right here. So I had some Nordstrom points stacking up and some of them were expiring soon. So I was like, what should I get? And originally I went to the Seattle Nordstrom. It's their flagship store. Wait, why is this so dark? Hold on. They have a Louis Vuitton in there, which you are not allowed in. And like the Yelp reviews on it right now are like saying how snobby they are, which is weird. It's not even the best location. The Seattle Nordstrom is in a really sketch location anyway, but I did go there to get snobbed out at Louis Vuitton and Chanel. So what I did was I bought some makeup, had it sent to the Seattle location so I could come pick it up, and then while I was there I just wanted to shop around and look for something to do with my Nordstrom points. I vlogged a little bit. Nothing good at Chanel. They wouldn't even let us into Louis Vuitton. I was just talking about how nice they are there, but so I'll just pick up my order and we can go somewhere else and we'll spend the gift card or the Nordstrom notes in my town because it's better. Sebastian is being a very good boy. A lot of people are asking to pet you, lots of attention, but he's being very nice, docile actually. So cute, buddy. Really well behaved. It's like so proud. I'm a proud mommy because he's so well behaved. Good boy. So got my order, pick up, and we're just going into the elevator again. Let's get out of here. I thought I was going to get in trouble because one of the workers came over, but he just wanted to pet my dog. You're so good. Look how cute you are. I'm so proud. So we might just go back to my town and look at that Nordstrom because their inventory is better and I feel like they're nicer too. Not in love. Okay, hold on. I'll tell you in a minute. Better quality camera. They didn't have that much of a selection at Chanel. You can't even order anything. If they don't have what you want, you can't even order it. They just put you on a wait list and tell you when it gets there or something. And then the Louis Vuitton there was like roped off and the guy like wouldn't let you in to go look at anything. We saw this in the store, but I was in such a bad mood that I just picked up my things, which by the way, they put in like a pastry bag instead of a shopping bag. It's just weird. So I just got my things and left. I was just thinking about this and decided to purchase it online. I've never purchased from Off-White before, so I'm excited to see it. This is my Off-White dog. I bet you thought that I was purchasing something with color. It's just the box. So there's a rubber band on here. Usually at home I don't like to wear pants, but I'm doing a try on as well, so I have actually leggings on. Here's the inside. Dust bags match the box. How cute. So I purchased boots, riding boots. See? Riding. So, okay. So I was looking at boots because I love boots. Like that's my favorite thing to wear, my favorite thing to purchase and all that. So I was torn between this pair of Montclair boots. They were rain boots, lower like ankle boots almost. And I couldn't decide which ones to purchase. I sent a direct message to Laylee Mirza. And if Laylee says to get something, just get it. Here they are. These are the riding boots. These are for riding. And I just think that they're cute. They're all, are these rubber? These are just rubber boots, which I think is so cute for the rain. I live in Washington State. Even if it doesn't rain all day, it'll like rain almost every day and then the ground is wet and all that. So suede boots, faux suede, it's kind of a no-no, but these are perfect for the weather. And I just wanted something silly and cute. I think that these are really fun. Look at the shoelaces. I think that these are really cute. I wanted rubber boots, but I didn't want the boring, like it rains here quite a bit. So everyone has rain boots and I didn't want the same ones as everybody else. I didn't want Burberry because I am really going hard on this wardrobe. I really want black, white, and gray. So off-white or black. I think this, does this stay on here? So the sneakers, I've seen the off-white sneakers and they have like the tag attached. Am I supposed to leave this on? I don't think that I'm going to leave this on. I don't think so. Oh, okay. So another day I went to Nordstrom and I tried on about 6 pairs of boots.
And a 7 gram with 2 sizes for you? Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
And none of them even went up my calves. So thunder thighs, thunder calves, I like it, but it's funny when you're shopping for boots. My everyday pair of boots actually are from Amazon. So these are just a bit more elevated, I guess, than like an Amazon boot. I don't know, but we'll see how these fit. I got a size 38, made in Indonesia. I usually wear a size 37.5. These are my socks. It's October. I hope they fit. I don't like returning stuff, but I'm not shy of it anymore. My right leg is way bigger than my left, so the left fits just fine. Ta-da. I like these boots a lot. Can you even see them? Or maybe I'll just go like this. Look at her, because that's the whole body, yeah? Okay, so these are the boots on. I think that they're so cute. I think they're funny. I think they're cute. I think they're like fun because they don't take themselves too seriously. Talking like it's a person. They feel a little big, so I did size up a half size. Should you size up so that you can wear like thick socks? I think so. I really like these. I think they're fun. They're cute, and I think it's nice and casual. It matches everything that I am trying to wear right now, black, white, and gray. It's casual. I mean, I could wear this with nicer stuff and I still think it'd be funny. Like I could wear this with a hoodie and a pea coat. You know what I mean? I think it's really cute. I think they make my legs actually look a little bit smaller than they are. So does this mirror. Ready for the rain? Oh, I should have worn these to the pumpkin patch. I personally would wear these with a skirt. I would wear these with these leggings. I would wear these pretty much all of the time. My next purchase definitely has to be slip-on shoes though, because all my boots are like up here. I'm so excited that I own these. These are definitely a keeper. They suit me, they fit, and they go over my big legs. I like these a lot. I like to do fun things with my Nordstrom notes. I like to save them up and then buy something fun. So it's like these are free boots. I'm planning on doing maybe a what I wore in a week or October outfits or something like that. I'm definitely going to wear these in real life, so I'll definitely include them in a video like that if you want to see. This is a nice, fun little video. Lighting's kind of dark, not sure why, but whatever. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.